Welcome po sa 50th birthday celebration ni Madam May.
How could I ever begin to describe it? I've never felt this way before. Every door opened and let all the light in, and now I can see for miles and miles since I found you.
Alam niyo po, matagal na po namin pinaplano to, kami po magkakapatid. Kaso po, nung nalaman namin na yung date ng birthday niya, sakto nasa Dubai sila, sabi namin siguro wag na. Kasi malamang yung pasalubong natin paminta sa kanya, ginto.
This is where everything begins. This is as good as it could get. You give
Sobrang mahal na mahal po namin siya dahil totoo po siya po ang ilaw ng aming tahanan.
like this. Like this.
Ginawa po namin ito, lahat po na nandito dahil gusto po namin paalam sa inyo na mahal po namin kayo.
Let every mountain and river.
Nag-describe ko po siya as an ate. Para pong barkada lang po minsan, yung very approachable po siya, yung ano po nasasabi po namin lahat. Tapos, very strong, very happy, energetic, and cool mom.
We got the whole world before us. It's the moment when you know it. This is where everything begins. This is as good as it could get. You give me something that I never will forget. A feeling like this. A feeling like this. Yeah.
I can say now that she's not just a good wife, a good mother to our kids, but also a good pastor's wife. Napakabuti ng Panginoon. Darling, I praise the Lord for your life. Okay? Mahal na mahal kita. Ikaw ay isa sa the best na regalong binigay ng Panginoon sa buhay ko.